Hello friends. Today we will learn to talk about free time activities. We use the simple present tense to talk about them. Read, drive, walk and eat out are some common free time activities. When the subject is I, you, we or they, we use the base form of these activities. They are read, drive, walk and eat out. When the subject is he, she or it, we can add an S to the base form. For example, reads, walks, drives and eats out. There are some other free time activities that people do. Let's look at some examples. Yoga is a common exercise. We can say, I do yoga every day. Picnic is a noun. We can say, I go for a picnic in my free time. Cooking is another activity that people do. We can say, I like cooking. Let's learn how to use these words.